Welcome back, folks, to the only Honda Snowblower channel on YouTube. What I want to talk about today is a lot of questions. Is Honda going to stop making production of new Honda snowblowers? They've already stopped production of the Honda lawnmowers, and a lot of people were asking me about the snowblowers. Now, what I want to talk about today, I'm going to tell you what Honda told me. I'm going to tell you what dealers have told me. And I'm going to tell you at the very end of the video some ways to keep your Honda lasting a lifetime. Now, welcome back to the channel. I'm really happy that people are subscribing to the channel and liking and hitting the notification bell so they get notifications on the new videos. I really appreciate the support. Now let's get to the main part here. What is Honda telling us? I called Honda, talked to their representatives. Of course, they're a little bit coy on the answers. They don't know. They're not sure how much longer they're going to keep on producing the Honda snowblowers. I've spoken to all the dealers in our area. They're saying the same thing because everybody's asking them, should I buy a Honda snowblower now? Can I wait? Will they still be making Honda snowblowers next year or the year after? They're telling me the same thing that Honda told me. They say, hey, this is what Honda told us. They're not sure yet. But the writing is on the wall, folks. Let me tell you, the dealers are telling me that the last several years, they haven't been getting their full allotment of Honda snowblower orders. They might order 300, they might order 500 or whatever. They're saying they're lucky if they get half that much. So, that's a red flag right there. Now, let's talk about the battery market. First of all, California has banned small engine sales of new equipment, but they haven't banned the snowblower sales yet because they don't have a viable alternative for the battery operated snowblower. Now they sell battery operated snowblowers in California, Ego, Greenworks, whatever. But right now, I don't think the battery technology is up to snuff. Now, once that technology gets better and better, Honda might think, well, we don't think we need the gas-powered snowblowers anymore. California's probably going to ban new sales of snowblowers in the future once the battery technology catches up. You see what I'm talking about? So Honda might say, hey, we don't need to be in the market. We've already got rid of the lawnmowers, and in the United States, I'm talking about the United States, and we might as well get rid of the snowblower market too. If California, which is one of the largest Honda snowblower markets in the nation, if they say no more gasoline-powered snowblowers, they're going to quit. And then everybody else follows suit. The Northeast, the Midwest, everybody else will say, hey, we don't need it either. We want to be green. We want to, save their environment or whatever. So be prepared. What I mean by that is maybe if you're on the fence for buying a new Honda snowblower, get one now. Keep your old Honda snowblower. This channel and our Facebook group will help you keep your old Hondas going forever. So I really recommend if you buy a new one, keep your old one. I've mentioned this before. We could show you how to keep your Honda lasting for a lifetime. At the end of the video, I will put a link to that video where we talk about that, keeping your Honda going for a lifetime. And we'll have the links in the description and the comments. And so what do you think, folks? What do you think? What have you heard? What have you dealers? I know there's dealers out there. What have you heard? What have your Honda technicians heard? So tell us what you think in the comments. I read every single comment. I try to respond to most of the comments, okay? So if this video helped you make a decision, helped you save, our videos helped you save money, please like and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. And thank you very much for watching. It's really cold today. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.